This mobile phone screen mock-up is totally awesome. And it works well in Lunacy. I'm just going to be showing very quickly how easy it is to edit it. To edit the colors, first switch from layers to styles. Edit the color by clicking on the color you want to change, then edit it on the property inspector. Here, you'll see two color styles, one for phone color, and the other for the background. To edit the screens, first, hold Ctrl or Command. Next, click on the phone you want to change. Then click Change this in the Layers panel. And finally, select the new screen from your system. Then to export, first, select all the frames you want to export. Then click Export. Next you can add a prefix. Make sure to add a space after, so that it is named properly. Next click Export and finally save and enjoy.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Did you know you can get all our templates for $1? Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.